Okay, this is the only thing I'm using just to bring in a little shine back. I mean, bring some curls back to it. I'm going to be using Motions foam wrap. This is what I use opposed to any kind of gel or mousse. This is what I use. Put a good little size amount in your hand and just go through your hair. I'm trying not to put it on where I crimped it out because I really didn't split that real good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can see the difference in the curls from how they were before. And then what I do, just to lock in, I use the African hair polish. This is just to give it some shine without me using oil sheen. Because it comes out in a straight hard stream, I put it in my hand and rub it together and just put it throughout my hair. So, you can check it out in the back. So this is how it's looking in the back with it cut opposed to when I first started with you guys and I was showing you guys. This right here looks like I need to run my fingers through it a little more. You can tell I sleep on that. It helps it out a little bit. That's what I meant by the little rough parts, making it look unruly. It's just those parts that look nappy in the weave. Even with me rubbing my fingers through it, it still looked a little harsh. And this is it, the end result of me cutting that loose deep Cuttin pack down what I had previously installed. And this is just it. This is the finished look. And I'm going to show you guys how to repair your individual lashes. I did one on strips. This one is going to be on individual lashes. As you guys can see, I have a lash that came up, so they're separate. This one right here is not so much, and these I did myself. So I'm going to show you guys how to repair without having to take the whole lash off. And what you do, when I do my lashes, I buy 2 packs of Ardell lashes. I buy a medium and a short. I put the short on the inside of the eye, right here. And these are the shorts that I have left. The reason why I buy 2 different kinds, medium and short, because the short, you basically can fill in where you might need to close in a hole, and it don't look so full. It'll look full on the inside, but now on the outside coming out. not on that lash part coming out. And this is the glue that I use right here for the individual lashes. And this came from my local beauty store for $5.99. And I have my eyelash tweezers. This stuff is very thick. And all you do, it looks purple, but it comes out black, as you can see on here. All you do, you take some, make sure you get you some on there. See that strip right there. And make sure you grab the lashes. Let me see if I can show you that. Make sure you grab the lashes. Try to grab at the base. So you grab the whole lash. And you put a little bit on. You find the spot that you need to close in, which that spot is right there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this right in between there. Okay, I'll put it in between there. I'm going to need probably 3 more lashes like that just to fill in that hole. And once you get used to doing them, they become so easy to do. I prefer doing my own lashes opposed to going to the nail shop or wherever and getting them done for $25, $20 and not being satisfied with how they did them. Because 9 times out of 10, every time I went, I'm going to say I had some good experiences with them, but at the same time, I felt like they were too many lashes on. It made me look like a drag queen, and I did not like that. Okay, you can see where I filled in that hole. Now this is the part that you're going to have to concentrate on if you're not too good with around your own eye. You're going to take in between your tweezers. You're going to take them, go in between your eyelash, both of them, and clamp down. The reason why you do this, that is to secure where you just did your lashes at. Because you have to remember, this still is like glue. It has not dried yet. So you're going to have to time it just right. You don't want to do it where it's still too tacky, because then you'll lift your lashes up. And you don't want to do it when it's too dry, because then it won't stick. And that's the problem I'm having right now. And the problem is my lash there. I'm going to have to put one more on to secure that one lash. And it's repaired. But it's still lifting a little bit right here. So just to secure what I've already did, after you finish pressing the lashes that you just did in, please tell me I have one somewhere handy. Yes, I do. take the end of this is what I use, bobby pin. The end of a bobby pin. The same thing that you just did here, the same glue you're going to use it right there. You see that? You're going to make sure you get it on both ends. You don't want it too thick because you want to be able to control what you're putting on your eye. What you do, you lift your eye up. And underneath, you're going to go up. You're going to make sure that the glue is on it. And you're going to go across it. That right there is just going to secure your eyelash on. And you can take your tweezers again and go through and press. And when you press, make sure you don't snatch them back real quick or it will come off. So, this end here is not. But now you can see, now it's lifting up with the other one. And that's it. Thanks, guys.